Hello guys, this is Subrata Mishra. Today I am going to prepare chicken curry. Actually, I will not prepare chicken curry. I will just modify the chicken which is given in the hostel or PG, because sometimes we don't like the taste, right? They will not give the gravy also, masala also not well fried. So I will modify that chicken. Okay. For that, first heat some oil. After that, put some mustard seeds, cumin seeds. I too don't like that hostel chicken, so I used to modify that. I will prepare my own gravy. Then add the onions. After that, fry the onion till it turns light brown color. After that, add some salt. Don't add more because salt will be there in the chicken. We are just modifying the chicken, okay? A pinch of turmeric powder. Little garam masala powder. And some red chili powder. I will not add much. After that, fry the masala. Yes friends, you can also add tomatoes. Don't add too much masala or too much red chili powder spicy, because all will be there in that curry. Cycle 1 minute. After that, add some water to it. Now let the water get boiled. Okay. The water is boiled now. Now I will add the hostel chicken. Now let it boil for 1 to 2 minutes. Now the chicken is ready. Take it to a bowl. Now the modified chicken is ready, guys. So it will be better in taste compared to the PG chicken. So if you like the recipe, then don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.